Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Oh, Tony Boggards.
Tony Boggards has become a member.
Now, don't you just like when a plan comes together? Again, we're beating the market again, and it's going exactly the way we want as well. Is it really a surprise? Not really, because we're always 5 moves ahead on our portfolio. This is my main portfolio, as you can see, up again today. The Roth IRA, lovely. We've got Coca-Cola going down and down and down. Please, please, please keep doing that or stay where you are by the 1st of January. I've only got a couple of weeks to go now to add $8,000 with a 3% match to buy Coca-Cola. All good news with Coca-Cola. They're spending more on the environment. I like it. It'll keep them at the top. Do like it. Presents opportunity to buy a dip. Keep on going, Coca-Cola. Just keep doing it until January the 1st. However, my portfolio is still broken another all-time high. This is the very example of diversity, but well-balanced diversity. Not diversity for diversity's sake. My portfolio is breaking records and going up all the time, which is wonderful. At the same time, as stocks I want to buy are going down. And it's not hurting me. I love it. Fantastic. About to get a nice big dividend payout any day now from Coca-Cola anyway, plus the 3% match, which will be about $250, something like that. That'll be free money to buy Coca-Cola, plus $8,000 of Coca-Cola on the 1st of January. Please stay down. I hope it does. Why am I getting excited about this? Well, because I know this is going to take my portfolio to $150,000 by the end of the year. That's the strategy, and I believe we're going to get there. And I mean this year, not next year, this year. Pretty good, right? Another 15 grand. Yep, that's where I see my portfolio going. On top of all of that, exactly as we predicted, XRP continues to go down on weakness. We reported last night, we had a game called Whack-A-Troll last night. It was quite exciting. People tuned in for Whack-A-Troll last night. First time ever, a drinking game. A lot of fun. We exposed some of the nonsense, some of the polite stuff that I can share with you. Some of it is extremely worrying, and I can't share that, of course. But the normal trolls, the misunderstandings of how the market works, we shared with you last night in a fun drinking game of Whack-A-Troll. It was a lot of fun, had lots of whiskey, and it felt good. And thank you all for taking part in that. But today, it's an NVIDIA special. Today, we're talking NVIDIA. We don't need to worry about XRP. We took our profits. We bought on a 25% swing. Our members did. So we don't have to worry about it. We're leaving it alone now. We love it. It's our favorite crypto. We're going to let it fall down 5-10% from here, back down to that 50% target we talked about of a drop. So we're waiting. We don't have to panic. In fact, we don't even need to look at it. Coca-Cola, the same thing. I don't even need to look at it. I know where it's going, and I also know where my main portfolio is going as well, breaking all-time records. So without further ado, let's get on to the flavor of the show today. We're talking NVIDIA. We've got an NVIDIA special today, and we're getting back to business today. We've been doing XRP now every single day for like about a week, and people are saying, hang on a minute, is this the XRP crypto channel? You know our top stock here is NVIDIA. We rank number 1 for it. We also rank very highly now for XRP and most of the stocks that we cover, but we want to get back to business today on producing things, making things, and earning money. Let me bring all the comments in. Bear1234, one of our new members, has just become a member. I onboarded him this morning during the show. This is the benefit of Discord, the benefit of our 24-hour live stream. I was able, while lying in bed this morning, just waking up, being able to bring Carl Woods into the family. So welcome, Carl Woods. It's pretty cold here too. We've got all kinds of cold weather. It is the winter, folks, and we also have thunderstorms a few moments ago. I want to talk about last night's show when I called in sometime this morning. What do you mean when you call in? As if you have an open phone line to 43,000 people. What do you mean? 43,000 people? When did that happen? I thought we were 40,000 4 days ago. Yeah, we were. Did you blink? Did you miss it? We're now 43,024. Yeah, over 1,000 subscribers a day for the last 3 days. Yesterday was 1,500 in a 24-hour period. We're doubling our rate of growth every single month. I've checked the metrics on YouTube, buddy. Very few channels have growth like that. We are very excited. Mr. Beast, watch out, watch out. There's a Humphrey about. Anyway, so yeah, Fight Channel, you just said, I'm going to call in. You know it's not the Friday phone-in. You know it's just a regular day, but you want to call in anyway. You just want to call in, do you? Just like that. Okay. All right then. All right. Okay, I'll let you call in. But you got to, don't just assume you can call in. You know you can, but don't just assume it. You got to still remember it's a little bit special to call in, talk to 43,000 people. Right, anyway. News Now, ITS Windy. News Now, ITS Windy. I'm not sure what that means. William, hey, how you doing? Morning all, NVIDIA special coming up in a few moments. NVIDIA will keep you afloat for a long time. Never fear. When CEO says flat out they sell everything, they can make for crazy money. But that's right, North Guy. Hi, Mike. Holla. How you doing? List win. One of our youngest, newest investors members. He's joined recently and he says, I keep making money. This is great. We love it. I live in the snow belt in northern Ohio. 32 years ago. Best channel in the world, Stacey Bailey, Hi Leah, and all the Lucasades. I'm wearing my new sweatshirt and I'm loving it. Check out. Best channel in the world, Hi Leah and family, and all my Lucasades. I'm wearing my new sweatshirt. Lovely. Good morning, Mike. Good morning to you. Morning. Toby Everett. Toby Everett is a gold member. Would we all please welcome Toby Everett? In 2 hours from now, me and Toby are having a one-on-one video call. That's the way you call in. Except it's going to be a private call. If you are a gold member, this is one of the perks that you can have as a gold member. You can actually call in live to me, and we can have a conversation. And we are completely off air, so it is literally a private conversation. So Toby is joining me this morning for that. So I look forward to that. You've got all the links. If you stand by, Fight Channel will show you how it's done very shortly, and you will know exactly how it works. I'm sure you do. But anyway, we'd like to just share that with you. Let me just make a little tweak there. Little tweak. Let me just do that again. Wait. Hey, steady on. Steady. There you go. There you go. Little bit of polish. You can't see what I'm doing, but what I'm doing is very important. It's very important. Bit of polish. There you go. I've added the polish. We're good. OCD about my setup, all right? You'll never know what I'm talking about. You've got to keep something to yourself. Good morning, Andrew Phillips. Hi, Mike. What's your thoughts on the day? Good morning. NVIDIA is keeping me afloat barely. Hi, Lestwin. Hi, guys. Here is Mike. How are you? Toby Everett. Good morning, Steve Wally. Good morning. Mike said hello to everybody individually. I like it. Tony Bargards just became a member. Tony Bargards, if you're in the chat, talk to me. I'll give you all your perks and benefits. Good morning, Lucasades. Is any good news coming out today? There's volatility news coming out. I'm about to bring it to you. When are the rate cut announcements? I'm covering that as well. David Ewan, I'm covering that as well. Live on the show. That's in the middle of December. Coming up. XRP 50% crash, your number one on Google. XRP 50 crash, your number one on Google. Not again. Number one on Google. Again. Can't believe it. You're kidding me. Number one. This is ridiculous. We're just becoming good. We're becoming like, really? XRP 50. You are kidding me. What's it? XRP crash, number one on Google. Bloody hell, we are. This is bonkers. This is bonkers. Oh my gosh. I cannot, 3 years ago, we sat here talking to no one, and now we rank number one for every bloody thing. Look at this. Look, type in XRP 50% crash, right? There are millions of channels. Not really millions. There's a lot of channels that are all about crypto. Really big channels that talk rubbish. Look who's number one. Again. Right, look at this. Number one in the world. This is crazy. Oh, I love it. Yes, yeah, more than you today, more than the news, more than coined. Oh my gosh, this is good. This is good. It's an NVIDIA special. NVIDIA special. I've got NVIDIA just waiting in the wings, but we probably should mention it. Oh, flipping heck. I need a director to run the show who's going to give me what I can go with, because there's so much to go with. I can't make videos on everything, can I? XRP. I'll just do it. I wasn't going to do any XRP today, but I've got to do that because that's bloody huge, right? That's absolutely huge. I've got to do that. So I'm not going to apologize. We've worked hard for this. We deserve it, right? Don't we? Right. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. If you're in the XRP army, you need to pay attention to this. Really pay attention. The real XRP army. You want a friend in your corner. You want people to promote the news, the information, so you can make informed decisions. Our members did yesterday. They made a 25% swing. They now own more XRP after our information by selling at the top, buying the dip. And guess what, folks? It's not a big crypto channel that ranks number one in the world for this. It's us. Look at this. XRP crashed this morning on Google. Type that in. Incognito. Type in XRP crash. Not Martyn Lucas Investor. Don't sway it around. Look. XRP crash. Who ranks number one in the world above you today, above Newsbeat Bitcoin, above Cointelegraph, above Crypto.news, above everybody, Look, Martyn Lucas Investor. I can't believe that. Now, let me tell you why this is happening. We are a very small channel, but we are growing 1,000 subscribers a day. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel in the world when it comes to live viewers to members. More than Mr. Beast, more than multiple channels combined. We're very, very, very proud of that. It's a big, big deal. The reason why we are ranking number one in the world now on most stocks and ranking number one on Google now for that simple question, XRP crash, which is incredible. Let me explain why. There's two reasons why. I openly put my hands up and tell you I am not the best, the biggest and the best expert when it comes to crypto. In fact, I'm not the biggest and best expert when it comes to anything. Not at all. There's many things I don't know. I'm learning every day. In fact, the more I learn I don't know. But what I do know how to do is market a show, put on a show, and associate myself with the right people. And we made the decision and the mantra to always be news, be media. Don't settle in the toilet with all the nonsense and the rubbish, trying to make ourselves a few bucks on a few views. If we focus on being mainstream media, take on CNBC, Bloomberg, BBC, Sky News, so on, we can beat them. So all the little YouTubers with hundreds of thousands of subscribers are still, in my mind, completely insignificant, completely irrelevant, because their mantra and their aim every morning is to spread news, to sell videos. So if we rise above that and provide the real journalism, and we provide the best analysts and the best guests and the best people like the CEOs and all the rest of it, and Sensei Crypto and all the other wonderful guests we have our show. We have a lot of fun with our dear friend Fight Channel, former serviceman on the show, and thank you for your service. We do this is why we are ranking now, because Google is picking up our news stories, and it's trending everywhere, and it's accelerating the growth. So if you hate me, or you love me, or you hate XRP, or you love XRP, there's one thing you want. And I do it all the time, and I've done it all throughout my life. Surround yourself by good people, and surround yourself by people who can work for you in your corner. So you might not like my messages telling you that XRP is going to crash, even though it has been, and we've all bought a 25% dip. And Sensei has confirmed last night 50% will come. You might not like that news, but if we come together as an army, we can really make a difference. The Reddit armies, the other armies on all the other YouTube channels are insignificant. Insignificant. And I don't care if they've got 1 million subscribers, because their army is as weak as blowing it over like paper soldiers. And it's gone. No staying power. They'll go during the bear market. I am here every day. I've made a commitment last night. I put it out on my social media last night. You're giving me the time of, I'm giving you my lifetime now. 100%. I'm giving you my lifetime, and you are giving me the time of my life. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to stay here, and we are going to build the best channel in the world.
Lawrence Teo donated 14 Singapore dollars and 98 cents through a super chat. Good day.
It is a good day. And thank you very much, Lawrence Teo, for your super chat. All the super chats now are going to pay for more subscription services. I've just got a new one this morning. I'll be bringing to you as soon as I built out the template. Basically, I'm able now to bring you a news platform which provides news from the right, from the left, and from the center, and gives us votes of how the news is being sold from a bias point of view, whether it's being promoted to the right, promoted to the left, ranking different sections, so you can see exactly how news is politically biased. And I can present more of this news. This is coming very, very soon. It's costing money. I'm paying for subscriptions. Lawrence Teo, that will go straight into that. A lot of money, like Sensei said yesterday, he's invested a lot of money to bring you crypto news, which has, cost money. So we are putting everything we get back in to grow this channel. So I want to thank everybody that is part of this journey. I put out a personal message last night. I will share this with you. Very, very rarely I do this. In fact, it's like never. But I did this last night. I wanted to take you into my living room, and I said this to you. While sat on the sofa, out of the suit and in my comfy clothes, looking like a slob, basically, I want to take a moment to thank you all, as I'm only a few weeks away from hitting 50,000 YouTube subscribers, for sharing our journey together every day. And I said to you, and I like to use this as a quote, I give you my lifetime and you give me the time of my life. So there I am, looking like a slob, unshaven, eating some crisps, getting fat, sat on the sofa in me gym jams last night. Just thought I would share that with you. That's the real me. All right, not in a suit at all, wearing glasses because I can't see. All right, and I wanted to share that because this is huge news. So if you are an XRP, investor of any way whatsoever, whether you like me or whether you don't like me, become part of the real army, and we can rank #1 in the world on YouTube, not just Google. Sorry, not just YouTube, on Google. Thank you very much indeed. It's an NVIDIA special today. I'm going to cover lots of NVIDIA news. We're not going to talk about XRP for the rest of the day, maybe the rest of the week. We don't need to. We've taken our profits. We know it's going down. We're going to get a lot more of it, and now we're ranking #1 on Google. It's just going to keep going and going and going. Join the army, be part of it, and I will support and answer every question from everybody who is a member of this army, the Lucasades. Click above my head for all the links, down below in the description, and over here, I shall post the video that's ranking #1 in the world for XRP on Google. Boom. Guess whose video it is? Sensei's. He brings you a great bit of information. Check it out. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, that is wicked news. Right. We're breaking all-time records. NVIDIA's going up. We're about to hit 135,000. Awesome. Right. Let's just take a breather for a moment. Have a quick cup of tea. James, is James here? We have a tradition with James drinking our tea every morning. Is James here? I don't see James. Okay. I have to drink my tea alone then. Okay. Okay. XRP finished. Santa Rally. Right, NVIDIA coming up right after this. Quick announcement. Welcome everybody to the army this morning. I heard my name being called. James, I was doing our tradition, our cup of tea. We haven't done it for a while. Do you want to do it quickly? We having a cup of tea together, mate? We having a cup of tea? Let me put the spotlight on. Put the spotlight on. There's the spotlight. There's the tea microphone. James, let's have a cup of tea. If we're relaxed and we're calm, we make money. Those of you that go, why doesn't he get on with it? You take your time. We have a cup of tea. We always make money. Gotta have a laugh. James, it's time for a cup of tea. Cheers, mate. That's better. Oh, and by the way, that was my last tablet this morning of my dog bite antibiotics. So I'm feeling great today. No more bloody horrible bloody drugs. Bloody drug. Ooh. Right. Let's have a nice cup of tea. I'm just getting the kettle on. Lovely, man. Lovely. Love it. Okay. XRP crash, you're number one on Google. I just cannot believe it. Hey, everyone. All right, let's get everyone's questions answered. Good morning, Sensei. Hi, Bart. So what we're going to do for the next 2 minutes, we're going to be members only. We will go back to general public, but for 2 minutes, we'll be members only. That way, if you've asked me a question and I've missed it, or you've got a comment to share on the screen and I've missed it, say it again now, please. And I will pick up all members' comments, answer all questions, and bring all of the members on to the show. While you're doing that, I shall make this announcement pre-XRP special. XRP coming up in a moment. Very, very excited about XRP today. Sorry, NVIDIA. I beg your pardon, NVIDIA. Coming up, 22. Okay, 22. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, there's that. So I will come to all the members' comments in a moment. Just bear with me. I'm making a very quick video. NVIDIA Santa Rally going to $1 million, 150,000 by the end of the year, all from $5,000. Ranking number one consistently now on Google. All of that coming up in this very quick video. We've just had an amazing moment as well. New members joining, gifted members exploding as we speak. I'm making this video. On the screen, you are looking at my path to $1 million, a precise strategy, $1 million from $5,000 by the end of the decade, live on the show. No drama, no stress, no options, no short in stock. Sleep at night, always happy, not bothered, completely happy. There's our first new member. Congratulations to another new member. This has been gifted today by our guest from Singapore. Please, everyone, thank Lawrence Teo. There is my chart. If you want to know more about this, I can go into great depth with this, explain how I'm achieving it. Let's go and look at a couple of things that are going to get us to the $1 million. I'm just going to move forward. forward because my face doesn't get recognized. There we go. The S&P is rallying, like we said. Another new member. Congratulations to you. The S&P is going to 3x, not 2x by the end of the decade, 3x because of the NVIDIA and AI revolution, which it is. It's like an industrial revolution, but it's AI. I believe in it. I'm beating the market. Why am I beating the market? I'm all in with margin, as you can see on my portfolio. We're getting overtaken by members at the moment, but don't worry about it. I've made, let's have a look, in 1 year on my S&P alone, I've made 23,766. It says 28% up, but actually it's about 40% up. And you're going, you can't make 40% on the S&P. Yes, you can. If you go all in and buy the macro dips. Remember, that's not the steady growth. That's the macro dips, the carry trade. See the carry trade? See the big dip there? That was the issue there when we had the scare with Donald Trump saying that World War III would break out in 48 hours. America would cease to exist. Macro conditions is when I buy in, I double up with my margin and I get in. That's how I'm beating the market. Anyway, we're also very, very excited and we're going to make a big news statement in a moment with NVIDIA. That's coming up in a moment. So you might want to click to the end of this video and go to the NVIDIA special. NVIDIA is up today, 1.37. We told you it would go through 140. I've told you my target within 12 months, which is now 9 months, is $200. Many are calling for more. People say all sorts of stupid stuff on YouTube, but we rank number one, as I just showed you a few moments ago. In fact, I'll show you right now. We're ranking number one today for XRP crash on Google, not just YouTube. Google itself. Our videos are ranking above other crypto channels, news channels, and so on and so forth. NVIDIA, $200. Some call for more. I am budgeting on $200. Very, very exciting day. We've got a Santa rally. There is my portfolio, now 134,835. My target, will I make it? Leave me your thoughts and comments below. Will I make it by 31st of December, which is just a few weeks away? Will I get to $150,000 by the end of the year? I say yes. I say yes. Now, you all know I earn money on YouTube. Yes, I do earn money on YouTube. That's my income. Just like everybody else, I invest and I use my income to invest, just like everybody else, and I use my income to pay down my margin. Not like everybody else, maybe. I don't know. But I've got my usual couple of grand coming in this month at the moment. That'll go in, and that'll bring my margin down a little bit. It won't increase my gains. It doesn't work like that, but it will increase my balance. So my balance should go just on my income. It should take me to 136, something like that, with my YouTube income. But that's it. There's no more income coming. I get paid on the 21st of December. That's it. The rest is dividends. The rest is uninvested cash, which is not going to count for me, but the 1% match, which will be about $8 a month I'm getting with that. But I've got my dividend payments from Coca-Cola, and I've got the Santa rally through NVIDIA special coming up after this. So will I get to 150 grand? I believe I will. And if I don't, it'll be in the first day or two of the new year, because I'll get a 3% match from the $8,000 I'll borrow on my margin into my Roth to buy the Coca-Cola dip on the 1st of January. So if I don't do it by the New Year's Eve, I will do it by New Year's Day. You can bet your ass on it. Join me live. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. If you want to find out which video is ranking number one in the world right now on Google, not just YouTube. We do YouTube all the time. Google now, go and check this link here. This link here, it's one of Sensei's videos. XRP crash, number one, above every other big million subscriber crypto channel. We rank number one. Up there, down here, you'll find the Alpha Spread playlist of all the stocks I've reviewed, so we understand the fundamentals. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, this is absolutely brilliant. Now then, we're going to do an NVIDIA special. Everyone's waiting for that. So what we're going to do is I said I would answer everyone's question. We got new members, so let me scroll back up to James. This is where we went members only. Let me Make sure I'm in the right place. Okay, I think I'm right now. So I'm answering all members' questions, then we'll go general public again in a few moments. Cheers, Martin. Let's have a cup of tea. It's okay, David Ewan. I don't agree. No idea what that is. I must have missed the conversation. Repeat it. Cheers, Martin. Enjoy. Good morning, Mike. I've been making a killing on SMCI this month. Absolutely great. We told you about the dip. We hope everyone took advantage of it. A pin, not chase SMI. Yeah, not chase SMI. Too many people holding too heavy bags. I agree. Lawrence Teo, you're absolutely right. There are too many people chasing. And then the moment it goes down 1%, they're out of the money. It's crazy. We buy in the bear markets. We buy when it goes down on macro conditions. We ride it out. We take profits. We buy back more. We end up owning our shares for free. That's what we do. That's what the members do. So all those that just buy on the pump, they're just giving us their money, basically, because we're up 30, 40%. They've made 5% and they think they're winning. They're not winning. They're pumping our bags. And when a correction comes, we're still in the game. We buy back cheaper. It's just brilliant. Anyway, Lucas Age, good morning to you. Please whack the like button. Hope you all enjoyed. Did you? Let me add this as a poll. Add as a poll. Start a poll. We did something new last night. Did you enjoy Whack-A-Troll? Last night was a very new thing. We decided to do a game show. I'm going to build that out, by the way. You knew I would. Did you enjoy Whack-A-Troll last night? I'm adding these little drinking games. It's for fun after hours, so we have a laugh and we have a community, we make friends and all the rest of it. Not seen it. Okay, there we go. So, did you enjoy Whack-A-Troll? That was last night. Last night we had a live game on the show, a lot of fun. And did you enjoy Whack-A-Troll? Yes, no, or not seen it? All right. I'm going to sort of build up more games like this with spinny things and prizes and giveaways and drinking, and basically turn the show into just a crazy place to hang out in the evening. Anyway, what news that made Mobix go down? I haven't got any news from Mobix at the moment. I'm waiting for the call. I would expect this is pre-earnings call drama. There's no news from the company, and I'll bring it to you when I have it. So please stand by. Good morning, Mr. Bond. Just finished work. Good morning. We're in members mode for a moment. I'll come back general public in a moment. Thanks for having me on last evening. Oh, this was Mark. Mark, what a great conversation from Mark last night. Former serviceman. We thank him for his service. Very, very interesting conversation. Really loved it. You had a problem with your microphone. Did you listen back to the video? It was crackling. And there was nothing I could do my end to fix it. It sounded like you had a microphone issue. Anyway, good morning, Stephen. High roller, loving SMCI, buying and selling options. I don't do options. I don't believe in them, and I certainly wouldn't be chasing it now. I'd already be in, taking my profits now. So I'd be doing the other side of the trade right now. You're pumping my bag. Thank you very much. Afternoon, Michael. Of course, it's part of the S&P, so we love it. Or is it? I think it is. I need to check that. Can someone just check to me? It's SMCI, still in the S&P. I think it is. Morning, Stephen. Lucas Aid family. Lawrence Teo gifted 5 memberships. Please do thank Lawrence Teo for your memberships. We had several. Let me read them out for you. We got new members this morning. We want to thank you. There we go. We've got Randy Ocean was gifted a membership as well. We've got another one here. This is BKNY was gifted a membership. Nelson Wilson, paid for by Lawrence Teo. Please say thank you. Hard-earned money. Brenton Meadows also won a membership. Rob Harrison also won a membership. Cheers, congratulations. Woohoo, bring on the fireworks. Boom, get in, I'm loving it. Cheers, congratulations to all of you. And there you go. There you go. Thank you to Lawrence Teo for supporting the family this morning with all of that. All right, carrying on. Hi, Mike. Hi, Hustle Brothers. We're nearly through all the comments and questions from the members. Please whack the like button. Hi, Lawrence. Good morning. Did you see my message? I'm stuck in work, so I can't make our appointment. Please open the spot for someone else again. I apologize, but I'm here listening. Toby Everett, no problem at all. No problem at all. I understand that. Unfortunately, I can only create one spot a month for our gold member. So if you are a gold member next month, January, please be in the chat. Say you'd like to meet again, and I will set up a meeting for you in January. You get 1 hour a month live with me, private call, video call. I look forward to it. I look forward to meeting you. I'm sorry that you can't make today, but like we said yesterday, if we cancel, I won't be able to reschedule until next month, okay? All right. I look forward to that. Thank you for letting me know. I appreciate it. Because now what I'll do is I'll use the time that we were going to be together to do another video here on YouTube. So thank you very much indeed. Thanks, Lawrence. Grabbed a bit more Mobix last night. BTC on a 5-minute grinding. Lawrence Tio, good morning. Be right back. Okie dokie. Please check out Savage Faith Creations. One of our dear members here. Hi, James. How are you? The lovely Stacey Bailey. Good stock to buy. I don't know the stock. I've never looked at MCNF. You can ask me to do a review, and I will. Good morning, Ed Nevius, our scalp trading expert. This morning is trading very busily in the show. You can go and check out Ed Nevius's trades every morning. Margin inbound. No idea why he says this. No one's ever worked out why he says this. Just says the word margin. Oh no, he's back. My good friend Mike. How did I get a sub? How did I get a sub? What do you mean? If you are a subscriber, it's because you subscribed. I mean, you subscribe yourself. No one does that. How dare you, Martyn, how dare you, Martyn, earn a living from YouTube? I know. Can you believe it? Can you believe I actually earn money for my job?
Carbon has become a member.
Hyperion Wolf, how dare you earn money from YouTube? Robbie Cooper, hello. Hi, Inbound. Have you seen CEO has been... UNH CEO has been... Oh dear. United Health. Robbie Cooper, please send me that information in. I would like to report on that because I've covered the stock. I've done a review on it. Please send that in. F. Caban, I'll come back to your membership in a moment. Hi, Robbie. United Health. Hi, Iberian. We're just going through members' comments at the moment. Iberian, it's been 30 minutes and no NVIDIA yet. North Guy, it's coming up. I've got every member, including you, North Guy, to speak to. One of your perks is I answer your question. You're on the screen. I'm giving you my time. That's the point. Patience, my friend. I got to get through all my members first. That's why you're members. These are all the stocks. PLT is on fire. Way too overbought now. Palantir. Crazy. What app would you recommend for piano lessons? I can't say. I do give piano lessons. I do it on my online show if you want to have piano lessons with me, but I'm more expensive than an app. When Fed's meeting today? No. That's not an important meeting at all. The Fed meeting is I think the 19th of December. We'll be covering it live. Anybody here to buy sell options here? I like the margin strat. No idea what that means. Thanks for having me on last night. My pleasure. Hi, Martyn. I loved Wackatrol. It was my favorite. Hi, Martyn. Have you heard of Landbridge? They are, yes. TPL, ISO Thoughts. Landbridge. We just done, in fact, we've got a stock review coming up today or tomorrow on Landbridge. Yes, I'll be doing it. I think I've gotten through all the comments. I was on Sell Speaker. Yeah, which is a bit. Don't worry about it. No, don't apologise. I like Wackatrot. It was something new and actually pretty funny. Get to the news, David Ewan. You get to the news. I'm talking to my members right now, including you. Good morning. Stacey Bailey, good morning. Right, okay, we are through all the members. There's only one channel in the world that addresses all its members. That's what I do. So I'm not going to apologise for talking to you. Right, now we'll go back to general public, and now I'm going to cover NVIDIA news. Right. Jera Hart, I'm about to make an NVIDIA video. I will give you all your perks as I've made. Do you mind waiting just 5-10 minutes? Jera Hart, you are a silver member. You get extra perks and benefits. I would like to give it to you live on the show in a moment. would you allow me just to make the NVIDIA video first, and then I shall address you? Would that be okay? Congratulations, Donald. Bought XRP on the dip. Congratulations. It could go lower. Just make sure that you're not fully allocated. Right, NVIDIA, here we go. Right on the bell. It's exactly what I want. Oh, I need to put a time in. $40 minutes. Thank you, of course. Okay, lovely job. Okay, let's get to it. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. One of our top stocks here. We like this one. We ranked #1 for it on YouTube, and we're ranking #1 today on Google as well, right at the very top. Very, very exciting for the channel. NVIDIA is a very interesting stock right now. I love it. It's going to take my portfolio to $150,000 by the end of the year, and I'm currently running at 134. So that's about 15 grand by the end of the year. Am I going to do it? You bet your life I'm going to do it. NVIDIA, however, is good value right now. PE, forward PE, improving, but some big drama. And we're making this live 1.5 minutes before the bell goes. I will cover this live on the bell. So stand by to go to the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah. There it is. We're going to cover this live. NVIDIA today, let me come back to it, is going to be volatile going into the end of the year. We said it would go through 140. It did. We said it's going to 200. It will within 12 months, which is now about 9 months. But I've got some news for you, and we're going to cover this throughout the news, throughout the opening bell. 1 minute for the bell open. Right now, all the factor grades are excellent for NVIDIA. If you want all of my Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread, we've got Black Friday deals, links in the chat, and also below the video. These are all good. We've known this for ages. Everything's fine, solid. The forward PE is very, very solid. The forward PE, which is the way we like to look forward on the valuation, is good. 47 times earnings. It's improving. We like that. That's good. However, get ready for this. Chinese industry group says US chips are no longer safe. Report. We've got an attack from China now on US chips, trying to encourage people not to buy US chips, which is quite funny considering that NVIDIA actually supply China. It's quite funny. Anyway, it's all going on at the moment. We're going to cover that news as we ring the bell, because it's going to be a volatile day and a volatile week for NVIDIA, but we're all going to win. In 3, 2, 1.
They have Microsoft. They are in a game set match again. Everybody else.
We're looking at some earnings today. We're also concerned about Intel as well. Here we go. Let's ring the bell. Let's watch NVIDIA. NVIDIA is going up, 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 up. Volatile day today. Let's ring it again. We love it, love it, love it. Okay, there she goes. A lot of volatility today. How did he know this? What does Martyn Lucas know? How could he possibly know it was going to move like that? Well, anyway, there's lots of volatility today, and there's basically a China war going on now. And Donald Trump has a bit to say for this, so you can imagine. Of course, the stock is going to be higher. The country is going to be better. Everything's going to be the best it's ever been, ever, ever, ever in the history of the world. As we watch NVIDIA on the bell fly up, my portfolio is going straight to $150,000. I told you before the show we would get massive volatility today and this week, and you're watching it. Literally, I called it. How did he know what's going on? Let's read the news. Well, this is all happening live right now. It adds to the Korea situation as well. We've got a drama going on in Korea as well. Let me bring up the whole story. Look at this. AMD, NVIDIA others in focus as China chip associations call US processors unsafe. However, they're quite happy to buy NVIDIA chips, which is quite ironic, really. Anyway, we've got this going on. Now, we've got this big issue at the moment because of what happened yesterday with South Korea, this potential overthrow of the government and so on and so forth is now leading to an impeachment. And that's all very well and good, but it's made the rest of Europe very, very nervous because other states, other countries are fearful that this could happen to them. So it's providing a lot of volatility and instability. But this is great if you are an investor. You could have just trimmed off the top there for NVIDIA. Look, here it goes. Look at that. Straight up, straight back down. Take some profit, buy back more. Remember, the forward PE ratio is good. Let me cover more of the news. AMD, NVIDIA were among the US semiconductor companies were in focus on Tuesday, this is last night, as 4 Chinese semiconductor industry associations said processors made in the US are no longer safe in response to the newly enacted export control curbs by the Biden administration. All of this is about to change, of course. Donald Trump's about to come into power, and we're going to get even more volatility. Now, the company are doing well. I'm very interested in the what's the word I'm looking for? The retail user now with all the products that are going to filter through. We've been focused on enterprise for the longest time. That's money spent within other industries. So, Google and Amazon and all the rest of it buying from each other. But we also want to see it feed down into retail. And we will. We'll see things like IonQ, which we like, but it's just too early, too expensive. We'll see AI coming into new computers and new processors and all this kind of stuff. I know we see the game chips now, but I'm talking about mainstream. Look at the, what do they call it? The Vegado, whatever it was. We're seeing people use that in the music industry. There's lots of great stuff on the horizon, but this is what I want to talk about, which is going to provide the volatility for the company going into all of that on the next earnings, which of course we'll cover. And we're also going to cover the FOMC report. Expect a rate cut of 0.25 on, I think it's the 19th of December. And of course, we're going to be there live for it as we always are. Won't be one of our biggest shows. The comments came from groups including Internet Society of China and the China Association of Communication Enterprises. In total, the 4 groups, which released similarly worded statements right after each other, represent roughly 6,400 members combined. The statements did not say why US processors are unsafe or unreliable. Yeah. We'd like to say it, but we don't know why, but we'll say it anyway. It's going to get on the news. Martin Lucas is going to cover it. It's going to rank number 1. Is it going to do any harm to NVIDIA? No, it presents opportunity. I love it. NVIDIA, which reported third quarter results late last month, said it saw data center revenue in China grow sequentially due to shipments of export compliant copper products to industries. AMD said it is underrepresented in China in the server CPU market and believes it may have an opportunity to gain share in the Asian country. Intel, which also has exposure to China, I wouldn't even be touching Intel, said it was 50% drop in shipments in the country in its most recent quarter. Separately on Tuesday, China's Commerce Ministry banned exports of dual-use items related to gallium, germanium, and antimony and super hard materials to the US with immediate effect. All right, now we're going to talk about the Donald Trump situation in a second and how all of this works and some really interesting stuff now. So there you go. Look at NVIDIA this morning. A lot of volatility is now going down. Hope you took some profit there. Just a little trim on the pot. Buy back more. Anything around this price is good value anyway, so that's fine. I don't know if we really want to talk about this too much. Nasdaq SME closed with fresh record highs as tech passes gains. The Dow slips. S&P 500 is still my favorite stock. I'm not going to go into much here. I don't think there's that much I really want to talk about here. There was this here. We just had the transcript. I've been reading through this pre-show this morning. Very interesting transcript just out from NVIDIA. It's far too long for me to cover So if you want access to this, I'll give you a link to this. This is my Seeking Alpha. We've got Black Friday deal at the moment. You can get access to this. You get a free trial, so you can get the free trial, go and test it out, have a look at it. Links are below and in the chat. I haven't got time to go through all of that. But this is what I'm going to say. And I've had first-hand experience of this. Over the next couple of weeks, we're going to get a Santa rally, and then, of course, we have the tax sell-offs. But, I mean, tax write-offs, everyone's making money. What sort of January is it going to be this year? Not really. Who's lost any money this year? Well, I have. I remember I did it on purpose. Most people wouldn't do that, but I did that on purpose to demonstrate how it works. Anyway, that's beside the point. Between now and the end of the year, as we get closer and closer to Inauguration Day with Donald Trump, we're going to get a lot of this firepower backwards and forwards. We've got Korea now presenting an issue as well. A lot of instability. Poor old Ukraine. Looks like Ukraine are going to be thrown under the bus by Donald Trump. Donald Trump is going to end the war, say he ended the war. It's because of him he ended the war. And I feel that Ukraine will be thrown under the bus. They will lose half their land and try and renegotiate it back over the next 50 years, but at least people will stop dying, but that won't be too good. It's not really a win. We're just going to give in to Russia. I think Donald Trump will say, I've ended the war. Well, you didn't really end the war. Ukraine just accepted losing half their country and you were on the watch while they did it. Very, very sad situation. However, between now and the end of the year, we're going to get all these trade threats and so on and so forth. But let me tell you one thing, and I've experienced this firsthand with my travels around the world. Business always survives. More millionaires and billionaires are created during wars, world wars, than any other time in history. It doesn't matter what Donald Trump says about tariffs and all the rest of it. Yes, it affects inflation. It puts the price up of things. It creates tension. It creates volatility. But that's exactly, as an investor, what I want. I want to be able to buy the great businesses at better prices. So like I said today, trim off NVIDIA, buy it back now. You're saving money. You're making money. You're adding to your position. It's not cheap enough yet for me to buy more of the S&P. I'm hoping to do so, but I'm not there yet. No matter what tariffs and what restrictions you find, capitalism, money, business always finds a way to solve it, no matter. We've seen it with EVs. The government resisted EVs. The government resisted solar. But yet businesses, independent businesses and smart people, I mean, not calling myself smart or anything, but I put solar on my house years ago, and my house now runs for free and pays me an income. All right, over in England, I'm talking about. And even though people were saying it's a waste of time and yada, 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 businesses, high data centers, NVIDIAs of the world, so on and so forth, they will continue to innovate because they can improve their efficiency. NVIDIA, AI, the underlying word which never gets talked about is efficiency. And money and investors look for efficiency. We often talk about how come cancer is not cured and all the rest of it, because the people that put the money into the research want to make a profit. And as sad as it might seem, they don't want to come out with a cure tomorrow. Awful as it is, that's how capitalism works. Well, as an investor, that plays into your favor. We want volatility. Let all the politicians play their games. Let them all flex their muscles. Who's the biggest? Who's the smartest? The real money just sits in the background and takes advantage of it and builds out its business. No matter what happens with the China war, the people in China, the businesses in China want NVIDIA chips, because NVIDIA chips represents profit and efficiency, which means they grow, they do well, they gain power, that wins for them. And the government won't stand by idly either and miss out for a principle. So all of this muscle flexing about China, trade wars, tariffs, South Korea, the very unpleasant situation in Ukraine, all of this presents me, an investor, with an opportunity. And I can demonstrate that just as I end this video out today. I'll demonstrate this. This is my portfolio, breaking records again, up again. Going to hit 150,000 by the end of the year. Despite that, and this shows you the power of diversity, but not exaggerated, pointless, random diversity, but well thought out plays. If you look at my IRA, look at this. Look at this. This is perfect. This is my overall balance, right? There's my main position. There's my Roth IRA. And there is my overall balance. I'm still up. I'm still breaking all-time records. Yet Coca-Cola, which is the only thing that's in my IRA, is going down and down and down. How many times have I said Coca-Cola is now being oversold to buy back in the new year? It's the best value stock you can buy now. Look at it. Look at it. Keep going down and down and down. Look at that. There's my dividend. Hey, there's my dividend just arrived. Woohoo! $205. Keep on going down and down and down. Please keep going down. On the 1st of January, I'm going to be buying $8,000 of Coca-Cola, getting a 3% match, about $250 free from Robinhood. The dip's going to get lower. The position's going to get lower, and it's going to outperform my S&P in the first quarter of next year. Keep on going down. So despite it going down so much, that's $28,000, folks. That's not, it's not a couple of bucks. Look, I put 28 grand in. I'm down to 26. No, I've lost 1,600. Have I lost it? Of course I haven't. I'm going to make money from Coca-Cola. It's being sold to buy back in January. Despite that, I'm still up. Look, isn't this fantastic? There you go. That demonstrates in real time the power of diversity, not just loosely placed, but well planned out, and consistently buying the assets that you want to own. So I'm going to close this out. NVIDIA, like we said, would be volatile today. It pop and drop, and it did. It popped and dropped. I hope you took the profit. I hope you're now buying back. 140 is a good forward PE ratio. I like it. Keep winning. Never lose. My last message on this video. Please, 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 if you only do one thing in investing, focus on not losing money, using your soldiers to build your moat around your castle, and you make money by default. If your mantra and your goal is chasing money and trying to win, you lose. Focus on building the foundations, a solid foundation to the center of the earth, not the tinsel and the silly Christmas lights on your roof. Doesn't matter. In England, we like to build foundations. We have castles and stately homes, hundreds, 1,000 years old, built out of granite. Take the time, have the patience, build a solid grounding, and then all the fluff and the noise and the hoo-has on the top have no bother to you at all. You sleep well at night and you're not bothered. Don't chase to make profit. Chase, if you want to protect your money and never lose. As I've always said, and I demonstrate every day, it's easy as falling off a log making money. Easy. Work harder than anyone else, provide a service, invest in quality, you will win. You can't lose. The hard part is to keep your money when you chase profits. Simple as that. And if you'd like to see today what ranked #1 in the world on Google, not YouTube, we're very proud of our sensei providing a review analysis that beat all the big news channels, News BTQ, Cointelegraph, Crypto News, big Bitcoinist, Crypto News, CoinGate, you name it. We beat them all. We beat them all. Go and check that out. I'll give you the link for that at the end. Have a great day. NVIDIA, what a great opportunity. I hope you made some money there. But ride it out. Life is good. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. All the links to Alpha Spread and Seeking Alpha with Black Friday deals. Over here, I'm going to put our ranking Sensei Crypto, who's got the #1 XRP on Google this morning, right there. Go and check him out. You cannot miss it. The best analysis on technical analysis on XRP. We love him. Ranking #1 in the world on Google, not just YouTube. Down here, I shall put the playlist for NVIDIA. And join us very soon, not only with the NVIDIA earnings, but the FOMC report will be live. Wow, how exciting is that going to be just before Christmas Eve? Santa Rally's here. Take care of yourselves and each other. Down she goes, down she goes, down she goes. I hope you took your profit. I hope you did. Right. Let me read all the members' comments. Thanks, James. Excited to be here. Interesting. I sold my NVIDIA yesterday and I locked in some profits. Congratulations. Well done to you. Well done to you. I did the same thing, Vanessa. All the members did. Did all the members make money? Yeah. Okay, our poll. Did you enjoy Whack-A-Troll? Most people haven't even seen it. Those that did, 33% yes, 58% not seen it. So only 9% of you didn't like it. So if we have, so 58% of you haven't even seen it. So I'm thrilled to bits with that. Only 9% didn't like it. So basically everybody who watched it, 99% liked it. Right? Is that about right? Would you say? About 95% as you saw it liked it. Fantastic. Whack-A-Troll. It's a new little game show. We like to have fun exposing the nonsense. We have a drinking game. We drink. We fall off our chair and all the rest of it. What am I talking about with Whack-A-Troll? Okay. If you've not seen it, we have a game show now. I mean, why not? Why not have a game show? I mean, why not? Why not have a game show? Okay, where to find the game show? Look on the homepage of the channel. I don't even know where it is anymore. Okay, on the homepage of the channel, we have our very own game show. It's called Whack-A-Troll. 11 times our normal viewership. Do you like it? Whack-A-Troll. Basically, we got drunk, we laughed, we sung, we danced, we had fun, we exposed nonsense that people think is correct about XRP. We proved it. And every time that you decided that I was right, I had to drink whiskey. Every time you said I was wrong, I didn't. So unfortunately, I wasn't wrong once, so I drank the whole glass of whiskey and I got a little bit drunk last night. But it was very fun. It was a lot of fun. We exposed a lot of nonsense. We had a laugh and we all made money, and it's called Whack-A-Troll. Anyway, if you've not seen it, here it is. Share, copy link, go and watch it. Until the next episode of Whack-A-Troll, enjoy. All right, let me get rid of that. Whack-A-Troll. Should I put 3 L's? Put what I want, can't I? There we go. Whack-A-Troll. Let me put that up there. Replace pin. Right. I did the same thing, Vanessa. Good morning, everyone. Excellent stuff. Do you think it's a chip ban will affect Mobix Labs? No, I don't. Like I just said, money will always find a way to make money. Not worried about that. Not worried about that at all. NVIDIA is going down. What an opportunity today. I hope you took that profit, guys. See, my portfolio has not even moved. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I wish Coca-Cola just keeps on going down. I'm loving it. Yeah, just a couple weeks ago. Have discipline. Wait. Okay. Berry, yes, you did. Well, I don't know. Did you? I don't know. The US bleeding money to Ukraine is Trump's core one goal. The rest is poppycock. Oh, yes, no. Military ramp upcoming from South Korea thing. No, waiting to buy. Coca-Cola, waiting to buy. Stephen Lewandowski. Stephen, our big money guy. He can recognize it. He's going to buy it. He's waiting. Damn it, he's going to get a better deal than me. But remember, I don't care if I don't get the best price. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm not trying to time the market. I never time them. I never get the best price. But I never lose either. I never sell for the best price, but I never lose either. It's very important that, I mean, don't try and beat the market. Just try and not lose. Because if you try and beat the market, you'll lose all the time. We see it all the time. When do you start going in and out of NVIDIA? I thought you were buy and hold through thick and thin. When did you start going in and out? Matt Dillon, I only own the S&P. I don't buy individual stocks. I'm simply suggesting how you trade it. I don't own individual stocks. I only own the S&P. I got it 130. But remember, when I buy the S&P, I'm buying 6% of NVIDIA. I've got about 15 grand of NVIDIA now. So every time I buy the S&P, I'm buying NVIDIA because the shares, the money that goes into... Oh, hello.
Yasin donated $1.99 through a super chat. My cost RKLB $24. Do you think it will recover?
You bought Rocket Lab at $24. It will, but you bought it on the pump. Yasin, I'm going to be honest with you. I can only be honest with you. I appreciate your question and your super chat, but you bought it at the worst time ever. You bought it on a pump, and that was a really bad idea. Our investors were buying it at $8. So will it recover? Rocket Lab is a great business. It's very, very early in its cycle. It's very, very early. We're coming to the end of the year. People taking profits. The company that sells are taking profit out of the business. We're looking to raise more funds. I wouldn't have bought it at 24. I know that's not what you want me to say, but you come to this channel for the truth, right? It's a great business. If you bought it at 24, in time, you'll pass that. But what I would say, and this is not financial advice, what I would say is, if you have $1,000 allocation for Rocket Lab, hopefully you didn't put $1,000 in at 24. You put in 50. You put in 50%, say $500. So you've got $500 on allocation available to you. You can now buy more when it drops. It's had a massive rally recently. And then now it's sold off. 24 was too expensive. It will recover in time. I wouldn't worry about it. I wouldn't sell it. I wouldn't be, obviously we never sell here for losses. There's no reason for that unless you've done in some sort of tax position. But if you like the stock, like the business, you should still own it. Now it's cheaper. I hope you can buy lower. I wouldn't buy it on this drop. I think there's much more to come. Okay? So don't worry. You've bought a good business. We like Rocket Lab. Congratulations. Great asset to own. Just give it some time. If you're buying a rocket company, Rocket Lab example, it's very volatile and it's very risky, even though it's a great business. It is looking to raise more funds. There could be dilution. There could be other things. You don't buy an asset like that and sell it for 1%. You're buying Rocket Lab for 100% gain, aren't you? That doesn't mean to say you can't sell it for 1% profit. A profit's a profit and you take it wherever you can. However, you're buying it, I'm assuming, to make 100% profit. Companies like this, you're looking for, the risk to reward, the gain has to be a lot higher. You're not going to, you can buy the S&P and make 1%. You can buy Coca-Cola and make 1% with your dividends, right? Because you can buy it back. But with Rocket Lab, because you're not risking anything, with Rocket Lab, this could go down 50% today, easily. You're not going to buy that for a small gain. So I'm assuming when you came into it, you were looking at much, much bigger gains. So I would say, focus on earning money, however you earn money, all right? And then finding a lower price. Wait till January. Wait for the January sales. Wait for tax sell-offs. Wait for profit taking. But I wouldn't worry. I'd be okay. I wouldn't be thrilled to bits to have bought it at 24. You bought it near the top. I would be waiting to get it cheaper than that. But I buy the S&P at the top all the time. Not all the time. You understand what I'm saying? But, we always pay more for a great asset in the future. That's what we do. That's fine. That's nothing wrong with that. I hope that answers your question. I can't say too much more than that. I can't predict when or where, but I can do a review. If you become a member, I can do a review for you and you can have a full analysis. I can also cover the earnings for you as well if you want me to do that. Anyway, there you go. How low will Coke go? It's undervalued now. It's oversold. Coca-Cola is a good buy. Buy it whenever you want. I mean, buy it whenever you want. It's a good buy. There are those that are calling for 57, 58 as the bottom. Again, the whole world's waiting for 57, 58. So as it approaches 59, everyone jumps in. So we're nearly there. So it doesn't matter. This is the sell-off before the big buyback. It doesn't matter. Don't try and time it. If you like it now, buy it now. You're buying a great business. Is it going to go up? Of course it's going to go up. Of course it's going to go up. The dividend has passed. Is that my coffee, Leah? Can I give you this? We're having a great morning this morning. Probably cold. How come it's cold? Oh, is it? You brought me a cold cup of coffee. Thank you very much. My wife brought me a cold cup of coffee. I tell you what, it's still hot. That's baking hot, Leah. Nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. That's still baking hot. In fact, I couldn't have drunk it if it was any hotter. So that all worked out fine. I got drunk with you, North Guy. Lovely, lovely. I have held through 56,000, swing up 45. NVIDIA is to own, not trade. I agree with you. I agree with you, Toby Everett. Sorry, no, hang on. I beg your pardon. I gained one stock. Congratulations. I held through. I agree with you that NVIDIA is a hold. NVIDIA is a stock you own. I agree with you. I've said it. It's why I don't sell the S&P. But owning it and trimming off the top is very different. Trading is when you sell the whole thing, you buy the whole thing, you sell the whole thing, you buy. I'm talking about trimming off the top to gain more. Nothing wrong with trimming. Remember what Sensei said? He is the biggest bull for XRP. Still took his profit though. You don't just sit around when it goes up crazy and go, I'm not doing anything. Well, why did you buy it then? You bought it to make money. Now trim a little bit and buy some more. You're not selling all your position. I'm not saying sell all your NVIDIA and get out and go, okay, I'm done. Just maybe sell a couple of shares and buy a few more back with a profit. That's all I'm saying. Like Toby said, I gained a stock. There you go. Will Rocket Lab recover 27 anytime soon? I think I've just answered that one, haven't I? Good show, Matt. Stock of the decade. Yay. Okay, now then. Chera Hart and all new members. Chera Hart and all new members. Are you here, Chera? We've got lots of ladies now joining our channel, guys. Have you noticed? Is Chera Hart here? Oh, no, don't tell me I've missed her. Chera Hart, are you here? I was just about to... I don't think she's here. Chera, are you here? I'm not finding you in the chat. Chera Hart. Okay. Chera or any other members that have just signed up for memberships? Are you here? I'm going to give you your perks and benefits. I think I've just lost Chera. That's a shame. She was asking me to help her out, and now I've lost her. Oh, Nike, David Ewan. What's your question? Is Nike a good buy for a good run the next few years? I've been hearing it's the buy of a lifetime at this price. Who's telling you that? Do you want me to have a look for you? Hang on. Are you still here? David Ewan, are you still here? If you're still here, I'll try and do it for you now. David, are you still here? Yeah, okay. I'll do this for you. Just a very quick look for you. I reviewed this a few months ago. By the way, if anyone's asking for any stocks, if you type in Martyn Lucas Investor followed by the ticker symbol, NKE stock, you'll find the review I've done. So you can see what I think about it just by doing that. So I'll show you how I do that. If you go to YouTube and you type Martyn Lucas Investor NKE stock, okay? Always a ticker symbol. There you go. There's my analysis. Oh, 11 months ago. There you go. Might still be relevant. Or you listen to the 24-hour show. And, well, look at that, look. That ranks up as well. My posts are ranking up as well now. Anyway, whatever. Martyn Lucas Investor, but that was 11 months ago. So, there you go. Not as relevant today, perhaps. Let's have a quick look. NKE. I could do another review on it, but that's not what we're doing now. 13% overvaluation, 27% overvaluation. I'm just doing a very, very quick look for one of our members, David Ewan. Steady growth. That's down, that's down, that's down, that's down. Improving. 37 billion. And liabilities, long-term debt, 8 billion. 33% debt. Operating margin. 69% profitability, 20% upside. I'm just doing a very quick look for you. I'm basically running through all of the software and then just coming to a conclusion for you, because I know you want to go, and I just want to do a quick one for you. It's not a full review. Okay, I'm going to tell you, I'll make a very quick video on it for you. There you go. How about that? NKE. I'll make a quick video for you. It's not even a mini analysis. It's just my observations, looking at and calculating a few things. 116. 188 market cap. 22 times earnings, 22 times earnings. Forward PE, 28. All right. Okay, very quickly. Nike, 1 hour 16. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, a very, very brief, not even a mini analysis, just quick observations. One of my members wants to rush off and says, I'm very interested in Nike. He's hearing on somewhere that it's the greatest buy and it's a great time to buy in history and all this wonderful stuff. Is it really? Let's have a little look. Nike. If we look, this is very, very quick. I apologize for being quick. But as we can see, it down 27% this year, 31% this year. You can see massive drops off, 17% over 5 years. That should concern you. Not just a year, is it? Over 5 years, it's made you no money either. It's come all the way back down. Is this like a Facebook moment? Remember when Meta sold off? Is it? Well, I'll have a look. If we look at the price to earnings ratio, 22 times earnings. Remember, the S&P I think is around 21, 22. VU I think it is around 22. So it's still not that cheap. Just because it's dropped, its earnings aren't improving. So I'm going to show you a bit more information. I'm trying to keep this short and sweet. If we look at the forward PE is normally better. It's worse. We say better when we look at NVIDIA. We go, look, the forward PE is better. That's showing its future growth, its future opportunities. And you go, okay, the forward PE is better value. You can buy it, and that's great. However, the forward PE is 28. So it's actually getting more expensive, even though it's dropping by its performance. So just because the stock has gone down, it's going down for a reason. It's not going down and it's now cheap. Some people are going, this is really cheap, this is really great, I like it. The trouble is with Nike, everything like this comes to an end. Nike now has a big war on its hand with Skechers. It doesn't do anything proprietary. You might go, well, yes, it does, the swoosh, and we all want a pair of Nike trainers, do we? I couldn't care less, could you? I want the best trainers at the right price. I like Asics. I only buy Asics. They're good for running. I did the marathon in my pair of Asics. So I buy Asics. I wouldn't buy Nike because I found what I like. Now, new people, young people, they like Skechers. They're not buying Nike. I'm not saying they won't or they might, but it's not proprietary. You're not gonna Apple or Google, Apple or Android, that's all there is. Apple isn't going anywhere. Nike has competition. I don't buy any asset where there's competition that someone else can come along and knock you off the top. That's why I don't like Netflix. Someone else could just be a streaming. They're not doing anything. They're only streaming what everybody else has created, right? Well, Nike are making trainers. Great. Well, what about other companies that can do it better or become more fashionable or get some big influencer that everyone follows? That PE ratio is going more expensive, not less. Forward PE should be less. I don't like it. Look at this. If I show you, this was supposed to be a short video. If we look at the where is it? The back test compared to the S&P. This is how historically it performs with the S&P. Back from January 2015, it sort of hovers along the same as the S&P. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. So you can sell it here, buy back here, whatever. And you got that good dividend as well. Outperformed all through 2020. 2020 was interesting. You know, during COVID, it dipped and then it rose up after all those extra stimulus checks. Everyone started buying new trainers. It's quite funny, isn't it? Why do you need them? You've been sat in your house for 2 years. Anyway, everyone started probably on their Pelotons, right? That Peloton went for the roof, right? It went up and up and up and lost favor. Lost favor. This is when Skechers started taking over. It's going down, 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 down. It's below, and then it had a bit of recovery, and now it's falling away again. It's trending down. There's no up. There's no reversive trend here. Sensei will talk to you about that on Sunday on his Sunday show. He'll go he'll probably say there's no reversive trend yet. It's still going down. The S&P is still going up, and it's still going down. Now, if it was undervalued and oversold, then fine. You could go, okay, I'll buy it. I've got people in the chat now saying, it's great. Someone just said to me a few moments ago, it's going to double in. It's going to what? It's getting a bit like crypto. Oh, it's going to double in 5 minutes. Why would you say that? There's no evidence to support that. If I look at the numbers, this ended up being a bigger video, right? This wasn't supposed to be this long. David Ewan, you got a free analysis here. How did you manage that? Okay, if we look here at the intrinsic valuation, it says it's undervalued by 13%. Is it? Chera Hart, I'll come back to you in a moment, straight after this. It's saying it's overvalued by 13%. Is it a growth stock? No, it's not a growth stock, is it? It's a solid dividend paying stock. It's overvalued by 13%. I can't buy that. Best case scenario, 27%. I can own the S&P without the risk and the drama. Worst case scenario, it's overvalued by 41%. It's too expensive. It's down for a reason. Do you think Wall Street is stupid? They've sold it for a reason. Look at the numbers. Revenue down 3%. Operating income down 12%. It's not the stock price is down. It's on sale. Let's buy it. And remember, when you say for Nike, and I can pretty much guarantee you're going to tell me this is what you said. This is what happened. Several people in the chat have gone. Several people in the chat have said to me that Nike, they've heard, is going to go up and double, and it's a great time to buy it. I bet you 100% I know where you heard that. You would not have heard that on a YouTube channel, because YouTubers don't talk about this sort of stuff. Remember, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm a broadcaster on YouTube TV. YouTubers don't make videos out of this because nobody will watch this video. I'm doing this for David Ewan. He's one of my members for 2 months, and I'm doing it for him as a gift because he's a member and all the rest of it. But nobody will watch this video. No one cares.
Yasin donated $1.99 through a super chat. Sophie to $18.20 or take my profit. Cost $10 on me.
Easy. Take profit. 100% take profit. The CEO talks nonsense and doesn't know how the stock market works. The only CEO of 23 who was saying that rates would come down when everybody else, 23. He was the only CEO in 23 saying the rates would come down to manipulate his own stock. Can't trust him. He talks rubbish. SoFi could be great. The CEO is rubbish. If you've made doubled your money, take your profit. Simple as that. Robinhood is a better fintech business. Way better. Anyway, so I bet you any money you've heard this, not on YouTube. You've heard it on Bloomberg and CNBC by the contributors who are massive hedge fund managers, massive internal investors who own the stock. I got burned with this so many times when I started investing. I remember people would say, buy this, buy that, and I'd listen to CNBC, and I lost every single time. Rubbish. They influence stocks. They promote their own stocks. It's great entertainment for CNBC, and it's great for them to promote their stock. Do not listen to that. Nike, in my opinion, is not a great buy at the moment. It's cheap because it should be. If the stock price was going down because of it was oversold, that's fine. But look, everything's down, revenue down, operating income down, net income down, financing cash flow, investing cash flow up 65%. They're investing in the business. They're trying to compete. They're trying to chase Skechers. Why? Let it go. Buy Skechers. Buy something else. Look at its balance sheet. 37 billion, 10 billion in cash, liabilities. It owes long-term debt, 8 billion. It can pay off its debts. Its debt ratio is way too high. 33% long-term debt. That's way too high for the company. Its operating margin is, its net margin, what's important, its moat, is 11%. Let me look at Skechers. Let me look at Skechers a moment. Solvency is okay. It's not going to go bust. Profitability 63. Right? We'll look at that in a moment. 20% upside. Don't see the point of risking it. I think you get a better price. More likely 26% on this one. So its margin, net margin, 11%. 11%. Let's look at Skechers. Skechers. I'm just using that as an example. I mean, I could choose something else. What I said was 11%. 11%. Their net margin is 7%. Much, much lower. So the net margin on Skechers is a lot lower. 7%. Right? Let's look at their balance sheet. But look at their position. 84% solvent. Yes, Nike aren't going bust, but they've got huge amounts of debts. This is the new innovative asset to own. Profitability is lower than Nike, but their solvency is much, much stronger. And look at the upside here. Worst case scenario, upside. Best average, 21, 25, 52. There's no doubt about it. There's no doubt about it. I would rather buy Skechers.
David Gwynn donated $4.99 through a super chat. For your time on this review, since it was supposed to be a short video.
Yeah, but it was worth mentioning. I know nobody will watch the video. No one will watch this. No one watches Coca-Cola at Nike, but it doesn't matter. It was worth. You've been a member for 2 months, right? So it's Christmas. It's coming up to Christmas, but I appreciate the super chat. Look at the difference. Look at the difference in performance. Look, undervalued. It's a no-brainer. So anyway, there you go. If we come back to the main chart here, sometimes stocks go down, and they should go down. It's still, in my opinion, too expensive. So there's my question. You asked about Nike. Is it a good buy? Everyone's telling you it's going to go up, or someone's told you it's going to go up. I don't know who that person is, but I bet you it's nobody on YouTube. I bet it's CNBC, and you thought, well, they know what they're talking about. No, they know what they're talking about, all right? They know how to manipulate the stock. I used to like those people. I thought if I ever got like 100 million subscribers and got invited onto CNBC, I couldn't go on because I run them all down. I think they're all talking twallop. And I'd tell them, okay, guys, you guys talk rubbish. I'd sit there on the panel on CNBC for the opening bell, and I'd say, sorry, Jim Cramer, you talk rubbish. You know why you do it, to drive, entertainment to the channel, but you're talking rubbish. Who invited this guy on the channel? Yeah, there you go. Anyway, Nike, click above my head. Buy it, don't buy it. I wouldn't buy it. Maybe it'll go up, maybe it won't. Maybe it will now. I don't know. There's better opportunity out there. I would say Skechers is a better buy. Over here, I'll put more information. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, Nike. Right. Is our member back? We're trying to get our new member in. Chera Hart. I'm here. Sorry, at work. Chera, are you here? Chera, yes, she is. Are you here? So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap up today's show. Coca-Cola, well, that's a half an hour to explain that. Martyn's thoughts on HUD been consolidating for weeks. Will it hit 100 or even 50? No, my target was $40. It's past that now. Or is it hit that now? No, I can't see anything higher than that. Not yet anyway. We can't just make up numbers, and I can see 40 and it's about achieve that. Right, let's finish up with the members section now. We're going to go to members only. Let me go to members only. We've got lots more members videos coming out, lots of members live streams, members CEO interviews. Let me go to members only right now. Okay. So I'm talking directly to the members now. We've got over 400 members. It's like doubled in the last month. It's incredible. So I want to make sure that all the members get the services. So what we're going to do, there's going to be live streams during the week advertised to maintain and take care of our members, to explain perks, answer questions, upgrade you, actually designate time for members, onboarding for the members, because there's just so many members and I don't want anyone to miss out. The membership was created to provide a service, not for me to get rich or make loads of money on it. It was never about that. It was, how can I make it as cheap as possible? The promise of never increasing it, including inflation. So in fact, every year, my membership gets cheaper. It hasn't changed now for 4 years. In fact, 3 years. We didn't have it the first year. We wasn't able to. We wasn't monetized. It's getting cheaper every year, and I'm adding more and more services as we go. Thank you, Yassine.
Yassine has become a member.
So we're always trying to provide more and more services, and we do it so we can verify people, so we can filter comments from real investors. The purpose is I want to be able to answer everybody's question. Even when we are 1 million subscribers, I want everybody to have a voice, everyone to get answered, everyone to have a, to feel that they have a family, they get listened to, they get their questions answered. They're not running around going, I don't know what to do, nobody will talk to me. Everyone can get this. So this is why we built it. And if it gets really busy on certain days, we'll filter it for different levels of members. But it'll always give me the opportunity to be able to contact the members and make you all feel, as you are, important and engaged with the channel. That this is a real live channel, not just a video business for me to make ad revenue. I don't do it for the money. I do it to help people, okay? That's why we do it. So now I'm going to make sure everyone's got their membership perks. As a member, bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship level, or there's one above that. I've got nobody at the. There's nobody, by the way, that pays $500. What's it called? Enterprise or whatever it's called. We've got a couple of sponsors, but most are silver and bronze. We've got a few gold as well. Got about 15 gold, I think it is. So bronze, silver, gold, you get more perks. If you are a bronze member, okay, everyone can. There are members-only videos, members-only live streams. If you look on the homepage of the channel, if you scroll down here, you'll scroll down here. If there's up the top, if there is a live stream going live for members only, it will say up here. If there are videos for members, it will say here, members only. Certain videos premiere for the members first, so you get the best information immediately, and then the video will then be available to the public. That's because when it first goes out, it's very often not had chance to render in 4K. So sometimes the members will get a lesser quality video at first, but they'll get the information first before the video is, had chance to render for the general public. But at least you get the news first about a stock moving, a price, and all the rest of it. So that's how that works. That's the videos. Also, during the live show, I will go to members only chat like I am now, so everyone gets their question answered, so no one gets left behind. FC Caban, can I review TSMC at some point? Yes, I will. I will come back to the comments in a moment. As a member, not only do you get the members videos, members live streams, members chats, you can ask me to poll the audience. Ask me to poll the audience, and I will poll the audience. If you want me to do an earnings for you as a member, a $5 minimum super chat, and I will do the earnings. We can do 4 earnings a day, 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, because we have the extra channel as well. We have a network of channels, okay? You can ask for that. If you want me to do a deep dive full analysis on a stock for you, on your stock, promote it, put it out there, it will rank number 1, it promotes the stock, not to benefit me, I only own the S&P, but it will help your stock rank higher, $5 minimum. I'm not giving anyone the chance to do it today, because I've got a couple to do again. When I say I'm opening it up, that'll be tomorrow again. You'll be able to do that. The more you bid, the quicker it gets done. If you bid $5, there's 3 before you right now. If you bid 10, you'll be done straight away. You can have that service. On your birthday, you will be able to get a birthday song. Elton John named me the world piano man. If you want to do...
Andrena Grila donated 9 Romanian lei and 99 Barney through a super chat. What do you think about Enphase?
Enphase has one of the best balance sheets of any solar business. It's a great stock. It's a great time to buy it right now. We know why it went down. It will recover. It's a $200 stock. It's on sale right now. It's got a great balance sheet. Very, very easy to make money on Enphase Energy at this level. This is fantastic. People are worried now because of Trump, drill, baby, drill. But like I said, business always makes money. Enphase is a great stock to buy at this level. No question about it. I like it. Don't go all in. 80% now in. Save 20% for another little bit of a drop. But that's it. Great asset. I like Enphase Energy. I hope that answers your question, Andre. So I gave you all those. Yes, on your birthday, come into the show and say it's my birthday. We'll celebrate your birthday live on the show. I will do a birthday song for you. On Friday, on the music channel, you can come in. We have a concert every Friday at 4 p.m. Central. There's the channel for the music. There's the link for the channel. We're trying to raise millions for charity on the channel. I will do your first song request for free. Maybe you want to celebrate a birthday, anniversary, a wedding. Do it for free, okay? If you engage with me on Instagram and X, I engage with all of my members. I reply to you. I comment to you. I talk to you. If you comment on any of my videos on YouTube, I will comment back. I filter it by members. Every member gets their question, their voice answered, and their comments featured on YouTube. Every single one. I do it personally. I don't use AI. I do it personally, okay? If you then reply to my reply, I don't see that because that's just the way it filters it. Do a fresh comment, and I will reply to you. I reply to every one of my members. There are discounts. Discord, another service, a great service, one of the most popular services. I've given you the link in the chat. If you are a YouTube member and you want to keep in touch with the family, you want to be able to have free scalp trading for free, completely for free, provided sometimes, very often, one-on-one with Ed Nevius. He's paid to learn to scalp trade. He now provides that knowledge to you for free. He doesn't just provide you the information, he shows you what he's trading live, he shares you his tips, and he's very successful. If you like scalp trading, 100% gains in a day, that kind of thing. It's very, very risky, as you can see on the screen right now. But We provide that service. It's available to the members. If you go onto Discord, I've given you the links in the chat. It'll take 10 minutes to get set up because of security. Once you've done that, give me your username in the chat. Give me your username in the chat here on YouTube live, and I will upgrade you. I need your username on Discord, not your display name. Your username is the @ whatever your name is. Now, when you go into Discord, be careful. There are loads of Martyn Lucases who try to friend request you and message you. I never friend request you, and I never send you a message. And how you know is, well, that's the first way you know, by the fact I've just said that. But also you know because if you look at the username, I am the only person on Discord in the world that has @Martyn Lucas. Everybody else is Martyn Lucas 1, 2, 3, XYZ. So please do not accept a friend request from anyone. Only accept friend requests from me or my friends. Because once I accept your friend request, once you send it to me, all the other members on Discord know you're a friend of mine, you are real. So that's how that works on Discord. Okay? I think that's covered most of the perks and benefits. Now, as a silver member, you get other additional benefits. When I bring out new merchandise, you get discounts. There's extra emojis that you can use and priority in comments. When I filter too many messages, you get extra priority and so on and so forth. On top of that, if you are a YouTuber, now I think you sent me, if I remember correctly, what's your name again? Let me scroll back. Chera. You sent me an email about Facebook. Am I right? You sent me a message about Facebook. You wanted to promote Facebook. Is that right? As a silver member or upwards, gold and everyone else, you go on the home page of the channel. You go on the home page of the channel. So let me share with you what this is. As your YouTube channel. So see, it says here, silver members or upwards. There's my extra channel. There's the music channel. These are our gold members and these are our silver. We've got 007 and we've got Savage Faith. Okay. You would go here with your YouTube channel. I can't put a Facebook page there. This is purely YouTube channels. However,
Jerry and Elba donated $10 through a super chat. Thank you, Martyn, for taking care of the members and the family of investors.
Absolutely, Jerry. We are only a few years away. Well, we're only less than a year away from 100,000 subscribers and maybe 4 years away from 1 million subscribers. We're doubling our rate of growth every month. This channel will always be personal, real, live for the members. Okay? It'll always be done, not to sell videos, but to be able to talk to the members. Thank you. I hope Elba's well. Didn't you say Elba is going through some pain at the moment? How is she feeling today? Anyway, so what I will do for is Chera. Let me scroll back up again. Are you still here? I'm just trying to keep in contact with you. Chera, yes. Chera, because I can't share your Facebook, there are other things I can do. Yes, you are here. Because I can't put you on the home page of the channel, because it only does YouTube, if, as a silver member, if you'd like me to promote your Facebook page or your Facebook profile or your Instagram, or whatever, I will do it and I'll get everybody to click on it and look at it. We've done it for lots of people. We've helped them rank up. We've made people become top-selling authors on Amazon. We did that with Mark Korn. Lots of examples. I can do that. I can't feature it every day. You're not a sponsor. If you want to be a sponsor, you get a commercial on the show every day. Or if you'd rather, just for $50, you can actually sponsor the extra channel and you can have your Facebook profile, your Facebook page, your link, and image on the extra channel running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you'd like that, you can have that. There it is. Oh no, the sponsor page comes up in a minute. You can have that. But if you'd like to do it now, I'm very, very happy to share your link with everyone. How you do it is you can't drop your link into the chat. It's impossible. What you can do is I sent you an email. Chera, I very, very rarely reply to the emails. I get thousands a day. I can't. The way to message me is live in the show or comments on YouTube. I do browse through my emails, but I get thousands and it's hard to, I'm on my own. I'm just a one-man band, right? I thought that's how I was supposed to connect as friends. I don't know. I don't want to promote at this time. Oh, okay. Oh, you don't want to promote something? I don't. Okay. I thought that's how I was supposed to connect as friends. No. If you want to know the whole ins and outs of it, there is the members video. I don't believe in the members video it says email me about friends. If it does, tell me and I'll do it again. I must have made a mistake. But I don't think I've told people to email me to be friends. As much as I'd love to be your friend. And we are friends, Chera. We're friends right now. This is real life talking to you. Real engagement. Yeah, I don't tend to do much with the email. There's just too many, right? I do it live. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Okay. So I think we're good. I think I've covered everything. Right, let me read the comments. I'm going to end the show in a moment. I've got Nike, NVIDIA, Santa Rally, and XRP to put out. What happened to XRP? What did it do today? Still selling off. Okay, there we go. Don't need to look at it anyway. TPL, Usman. TPL is consolidating. Great opportunity to buy TPL. It's consolidating. This is why you don't go all in. You allocate down over the month. People are getting all fearful about TPL like it's some bad thing. I mean, you're up 19,000%. Let me bring it back to here. Thank you, Jerry and Albert. Glad to have you safely back and sorry about your attack. Yes. End phase looks better and better the lower it goes. 71 now. Be patient. Always no FOMO. Absolutely. Don't do FOMO. Let it go. I meant on Facebook. Oh, I see. Chera, you want to be friends on Facebook? I will do it right now. Chera, I will do it live right now. So Chera, this is what you do. You want to be a friend on Facebook? Let's do it live right now. I friend all my... In fact, anyone who hasn't done this, I'll do it live right now. All right? So all members, if you'd like to be a personal friend of mine on Facebook, once a year moment is happening now. All right? If you don't do it now, I probably won't do it again for another year. All right? So if you want to be a personal friend on Facebook, not my page, not the group, me, real, personal, someone I talk to, a friend, build a relationship, you know, where I share pictures of me, you know, sat on the toilet. I'm joking. There's no pictures of me sat on the toilet. But there I am, sat there, look, all that kind of nonsense. What have I got here? Yeah, there's my music. I did a thing with Paul McCartney, and yeah, if you want to, oh, hello, I did something there. Freddie Mercury, all sorts. If you want, Adele, all sorts. So if you want to be a personal friend of mine, I only accept members. This is a once a year moment. Only happens once. So here we go. Here is my personal Facebook address in the chat now. Okay? If you send me a friend request, put in the chat, send me a friend request right now. I will see it pop up. Put in your name in YouTube so I know it's you and I can see you've got a badge so you are a member, and then I can accept it. So I'm looking for friend requests. There's my notifications. Look. Someone just sent me a message. Don't send me a message. Send me a friend request. All right? Send me a friend request live right now. Okay? Send me a friend request. I'm going to end the show now. We're going to finish up with this. So if anyone wants to do it, I've only got a few available friends left because you're only allowed 5,000 friends. And I've got like 5,000 friends. So where does it say my friends? How do I search for friends? I don't even know how to do it. How many friends have I got? Oh, friends. Does it say how many friends I got? Does it say? Can't see. Anyway, okay. Okay. It says I can't send a friend request because I don't know the person. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. I get friend requests all the time. There's the link. I get friend requests all the time. I get friend requests all the time. So it says I can't send a friend request because I don't know the person. Facebook, not my thing. Mobix. All right. Okay, I've got to move on. Chera, I thought that's what you wanted to do. It won't let you. Hang on a minute. Let me fix that. Hang on. Friend, could anyone tell me how you do it? It normally works. I've never had it not work before. So, profile. Content preferences. Who can send you a friend request? Everyone. I've got it set like that. Who can send you a friend request? Everyone. Yeah, I get friend requests all the time. It's absolutely fine. So when we click on add a friend, it comes back with a message not letting. Isn't that weird? Huh. Not allowed. Edit. I don't know why that is. See dashboard. I can't work that out. Sometimes it can be set to friend or friend only. Hang on. I get friend requests all the time. So How people can find and contact you. Who can send you friend requests? Anyone on or off Facebook. Yeah, anyone. People who Facebook suggest provider based on. Do you want search engines outside? Yeah, yes, I've got it everywhere. I don't know. I'll try, but Martyn just said was set to everyone. Yeah, it's set to it's set to everyone. I don't know why that is. Bloody Facebook. Bloody Facebook. Yeah. Where does it say my friends? Do you not think that Facebook's really expensive? Really complicated. I find it really complicated. There's just so many different parts of it, isn't there? It's like you're in there, then you go over here, and it's like, I don't know. I've got 4,689 friends. So there you go. I can accept new friends. So it's not that either. Okay. Well, I'll try and look into that. That was a rubbish moment, wasn't it? Sorry about that. Running shoes and Facebook. Sometimes it'd be separate. No, it's not. I've got it all done. I'm always 5,000 friends on Facebook. Too limited. But Martyn just said it was set to everyone. I don't know. It has the add friend button when you go, but when you check instant message. Oh, instant message. Yeah, you can't message me until you remember. You can't message me to your friend. Don't try and message me. Don't try and message me. Yeah, don't try and message me. Just friend request me. You can't message me until you're a friend. Yeah, that's right. Is this you making a mess of it? I bet it's you, innit? I bet it's you lot. I bet it's you. I bet it's not me at all. I bet it's you. There you go. Friend request. I got a friend request from Cameron Griffin. I got a friend request from Cameron Griffin. There you go. There you go. It works. It works. Hi, Mark. Just said it's set for everyone. I don't know. It hasn't worked for Martyn. I sent you a request. There. Look at this. Look at this. Cameron Griffin. Cameron Griffin. Friend request. I don't know why that is. Look. He's done it. Friend request. Is this So Cameron Griffin, is this you? I'm going to assume that this must be you. Cameron Griffin, we are about to become Facebook friends. Real friends. Until this moment, we're not real friends. Now, we're real friends. In 3, 2, 1. Boom! Cameron Griffin, we are real friends. There you go. There you go. Let me refresh it. No more friend requests. That's it. There you go. Done. It will let me follow you, but not add friend. I don't know. I'm not trying to message you. There's a message, but comes back to us. I can only follow you. Isn't that weird? Isn't it weird? How can Cameron Griffin do it, but Chera Hart? So what's Facebook all about? Why does it do that then? I'm not like being picky or anything. I only want to friend Cameron. I don't want to friend anybody else. I don't know why it's doing that. Hey, Chera! You said it didn't work. What do you mean? Chera, look at this. Chera, what's that then? You say, see, this isn't me. I thought it was me. It's you lot. You're rubbish, not me. There's nothing wrong with me. Chera, is this you? Well, of course it's you because you've just done it, right? Chera, we're about, yeah, that's my ugly mug. Yes. Chera, are you ready? So we're about to become friends. I just clicked on the 3 dots on my profile and let me send a... See? Hey! Chera. Sent a friend request. Let's have a look. This is Chera. She rides horses. Let's have a look. There we go. She's thinking, oh my God, I'm getting famous. Well, you're on Facebook. Everyone can see you. Chera, there you go. And... friends in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! We're friends now. There you go. Hey. How about that? There you go. Once a year. I only do this once a year. I'm in Dallas as well. Maybe that's why. No. Chera's done it. Anyway, who knows? It's a bloody mystery. But the thing is, we've solved it. Let me end the show. Sends. Cedar trees. There's no sends on the list. Cedar trees. I've probably already done it. YouTube. Martyn, Lucas, investor, SENS, stock. Is that what you called it? Sens. SENS, Sensonics. The name rings a bell. I did it live in the show. Yep, I did the review. I did it live in the show. It was part of a live show. So yes, I've done that. Cedar trees. Making sure I've got everyone's comment here. Let me read down here. Yeah, it's all working now. NVIDIA moving up. Moving on up. I hope you took profit. Roth IRA still going down. Lovely. Keep on going. Keep on going. Portfolio strong today. Work for my... Yeah, it's all working now. It's all working. Yes, Vanessa, it's all working. It's all working. Got to go and do some trading. Yeah, maybe it's geography thing because I'm Singapore. I'm 15,000 miles away. Yeah, Facebook doesn't work. Yeah, that's a long way for the string to stretch. You're right. Absolutely right. It's being glitchy. I was able to send a friend. Oh, you sent a friend request. Vanessa Griggs. Vanessa Griggs. Vanessa Griggs. Here we go. This is Vanessa Griggs. Vanessa Griggs is getting ready for Christmas. There's Vanessa Griggs. We're about to become real friends on Facebook. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Get in. We're now friends. Lovely stuff. Marvelous. I've got a few friend requests that aren't good. I've got to, whoops a daisy. Let me, hang on. Let me get rid of these. These aren't good. How do these pop up here? Oh, God, how many of these? How many of these? Okay, I'll do that later. Okay. There's a few here. Need to get rid of these. Oh, bloody hell. How the hell is it that many? Okay, I'll do this after the show. Got a few bad actors here I've got to get rid of. But I'll do that later. Oh, well. Oh, that's not so bad. Yeah, not bad. Okay, I'll do that after the show. You don't want to sit and watch me do that, do you? Not really. You go, no, not really. We don't want to sit and watch you do that. We don't even know what you're doing. But anyway, we don't want to sit and watch it. Yay. Cameron, big meal in Dallas later this month. Oh, yes, Cameron. We're getting together. We're having a meetup in Dallas. Hey, Zach, you should invite everyone. We should have a convention. I won't say that. I won't say that unless Zach Zate says it. We should have a convention. We should have a big meetup. Who wants to meet up? I'm not going to invite everyone. It's up to you, Zach. It's up to you. I'm not saying anything. We should have a big meetup in Dallas. Yeah, we're going to have a meal. Clara went, it's a good looking horse. I raised them and they're lovely stuff. Look at sound. I've got to end the show right now, though. Just so you know, my name is pronounced Shara. Like the singer Cher. Hang on. It's pronounced like Shara. Like the singer Cher. But with an A. Shar. Oh, Shara. Shara. Got it. Tomahawk Convention, Lucasades. I love it. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. Start a poll. Who wants a Lucasades Here it is. Okay, we're going to do a poll. Who wants a Lucasades in-person meetup in December in Dallas? We did this before in England a few years ago. We had a great party. People turned up. We met in a hotel. It was a lot of fun. We put on a party. We had a DJ. It was brilliant. All right? And you've all been saying we should do it again. Well, are we going to do it now? Who wants a Lucasades in-person meetup in December in Dallas? The options are yes. Yep, I want it. No, I don't want it. I don't want to see you in person. I'm not interested in meeting the Lucasades. Can't be doing that. I just want financial information. Or I would, but it's too far. And before you say I would, it's too far, remember, people traveled across the world the last time. We were in England and we had people come from Italy. Yes, we had people come from all over England. Me and Leah came from America, all right? But, you know, that doesn't count because we were going home, so But we came from America, but people came from Italy. We had Paddy and Alex April come from Italy. So people travel for this. People travel for this. So yes, no, I would, but it's too far. There you go. There's the poll. Shara. Oh, that might be too big for my britches. I'm trying to save my money for Christmas. Tomahawk sounds pricey. Well, you could buy a salad. You don't have to have it. I want to come from a tomahawk. Santa Zach is coming to town. Santa Zach is coming to town. I never had one before. Me either. I wish she was mine. I miss having horses. Tomahawk convention. Why does flipping Google keep losing my pages recently? It's really weird. I don't understand it. Look at that. Look at that. Everybody wants to go if they could. 100% votes. 100% votes. Look at that. Everybody wants to go. Everybody wants to go. Nobody says no. I love it. Zach, are you sure about this? We're gonna do a convention. There's gonna be 50,000 people turn up. The restaurant's gonna go, best night ever. 50,000 crazy Lucasades turned up. Yes, get ready for it. New feature on Facebook to stop scammers and follow boost hack. What's that? New feature on Facebook to stop scammers and follow boost hack. Oh, I see. Yeah, but everyone should better follow me. I'm asking people to be my friend for real. So anyway, Tom Hawk's an axe throwing. He stopped me a couple of times from adding friends. That's weird, isn't it? I could never afford tomahawk steak. Don't you worry, Mike. We'll take care of you. Yeah, we're going to have a take care of Mike night. We're going to have take care of Mike night. Does anybody have a private jet to pick me up on the way? Yeah, I do. I'll send one out. I'm really famous on YouTube. I have a private jet. I've got 2. I'll send you one. I'll send you the jet. Just get on it, all right? Sorry I called you Clara. Chara is much prettier. Yes, it's that's not right. Anyway. I forgot what I was going to say now. Shara, that's what it is, yeah. Anyway. Tomahawk steak is just a heavy ribeye. Less meat, more bone. You're just buying bone. Songs for Space. Songs for Space is poo-pooing it. Songs for Space is going, it's rubbish. I don't like it. Right. Don't go then. The restaurant must have a piano. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We can get Martyn Lucas to do free entertainment. I don't think so. I know your game. We'll invite Martyn. He'll be the free entertainment. No, I'm not the performing monkey. No, I'm sitting there eating my steak. You keep me out of it. Yes. I never told my steak before. Where is the meal at? Dallas. Honestly, the UK is probably as far as I could afford to go. I'm in for this. Stephen Lewandowski wants to go. I will walk if I have to at the famous Black's barbecue. Way across the water. Way across the sea. I will book a vacation to Dallas. I love it. Mike, go on Archer Aviation. Okay. Lovely stuff. Right. Okay. Right. Zach Zate, what date was you thinking about? Yeah, Lawrence Tio's coming. He's come from Singapore. I'm loving it. Best family in the world. Best family in the world. More people wouldn't travel this far for weddings. Oh, good one. Right. So Zach Zate. Yeah, good question. Zach Zate, what date? Do a Saturday night. Do a Saturday night. Saturday night. That's the easiest for most people, right? Do a Saturday night. Should we do a Saturday night? Oh, we got a new member.
Quadro 916 has become a member.
I've got to end the show. I shouldn't be here. I got things to do, places to be, people to meet. So, think on. Saxay, I'm waiting to hear from you. It's your idea. You're the one who created this nonsense. Squadra. I tell you what, Zach, are you still here? Which Saturday night, Zach? Which date? Which date? Which date? Give me the date. Give me the date, and then we'll give you the address once we've organised it. Oh, I love it. Look at this. What a great plan. Coca-Cola's going down. My portfolio is 134,000. Another all-time high. I'm loving it. Can't wait to buy more Coca-Cola. It's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. It is, yes. Give me the date then. Bloody hell, Zach. How long does it take? Oh, in fact, I'll just pick the date because you're messing me around. You're messing me around. I'll just pick the bloody date. I'll pick the bloody date. All right, here it is. This is nuts. Absolutely nuts. There's like 15 people going. I can't believe it. This is mental. Mental. People traveling all over the world. Right. Okay, here it is. Now, only vote, please. Only vote if you are thinking of coming. Please. So, this is the deal. Lucasades in-person convention live meetup in Dallas, Texas, United States of America. Only vote, please, if you are thinking of coming. 14th of December, 21st of December. Which is the most popular? Lucasades in-person live meetup in Dallas, Texas, United States. 14th of December, 21st of December. Vote. Only vote if you are looking at going. We don't want people who are not going messing up the poll. We want to see what people want to do. Here we go. Put the polls out. 3 votes. Everyone vote. There's 109 of you watching. Only vote, please, if you're interested. Only vote if you're interested. There's no point voting if you're not interested. You just ruin the vote for everybody else. 4 votes, 50-50. This is bonkers. I tell you what, whoever comes the furthest, you get a free dinner. If someone comes from England, they get a free dinner. It's mad. I travelled across the world for this. People did last time. They came from Italy. It was like, I couldn't believe it. Took them 2 days. They were on a train. It was brilliant. It's like they said we took us 2 days to get here. Oh, bloody hell. 5 votes. We had about 20 people said they were interested in going. So I think people are checking their calendars. Hang on a minute. Let me just check this a minute. Hang on a minute. This is brilliant. Can't believe it. I love the Coca-Cola keeps going down. Flipping heck. It's just waiting now for the... Oof. Oof. Woof, woof, woof. Jerry and Elba, it's my birthday. Which one? I know that we've got a show 19th. 19th is your birthday. I know you told me that because we're going to do a show for you, aren't we? Yeah, the person who comes from England gets a free dinner. I think me and Zach could cover that. Yeah, whoever comes from the last Saturday night before Christmas, 23rd December, we want to welcome you to the Tom Hawk Convention. Lucas 8, announcement of the restaurant will be next week. Okay, so Zach's 8, you it's your event. It's your event. You sort this out. I'm not getting involved. You started this. You finish it. You find the restaurant, mate. You do the research, because I don't bloody know, right? You do the research and announce it next week. It's Dallas anyway, so it doesn't really matter, does it? That is a heck of a train to go from town. Yeah, I don't think they'll be coming by train. They might fly. All right. We're going to end the poll, and it will be done. Now, we had about 20 people. I think it was about, hang on, how many people said they were interested? Where was it? Who wants? We had 30 votes. Yes was so 15 people said yes, they wanted to go. Oh, no, 15, about 12. About 12 people said they wanted to go. We've had 8 votes. There's about 4 people who have not voted yet who said they would go. So the most votes we're going to get is 12. We're up to 8 votes. So there's 4 people just thinking. We're going to give you a minute because I need to end the show. We can be on YouTube as well. Oh, can we? Can we? What, on your YouTube channel or mine? Don't volunteer my studio services. We can be on YouTube. What do you mean we can be on YouTube? Don't. Yeah, we can. Yeah. I've got to play a little bit hard to get. Otherwise, I'll be taken advantage of. I've got to pretend it's a little bit. I've got to pretend I'm a little bit put out. You know what I mean? If I just go, yeah, do that, you know, people take advantage of you. It's not special anymore. If you go, yeah, whatever you want, yeah, we'll go on YouTube. I'll bring my gear. I'll set up a show. I'll hire a theatre and we'll put on a concert. You know, you can't be too easy. If you're too easy, everyone takes the mick out of it. Everyone takes advantage. You don't want to do that. You got to have a little bit of, like, stand back a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit, right? Anyway, everybody are there. Peckman, you can ride with you can ride with Lawrence T.O. Yes, indeed. Love it. That would be great. Okay, we're about to make the announcement. Oh, it's getting very close now. 11 votes. There we go. I told you there'd be 12. Right. Oh, I don't believe it. Okay. The date. It's 50-50, so I am going to make the decision. 12 votes are in. The 12 people that said they could go have voted. There'll probably be more. I wouldn't be surprised if we get now maybe 20 people. It could be more than that. It could be a lot more than that, but I wouldn't be surprised now if at least 20 people come. So here's the deal. The date. Okay.
Jerry and Elba donated $5 through a super chat. Excited about this.
Right. Okay. I'm just looking at what the percentage of everyone's a member. Everyone here is a member. So this is a members only video. I'm looking at everyone in the chat is a member. We must have 99%. Okay. Members only video. This is only going out to the members. It's being recorded during a public live show, but only members, pretty much 99%, are watching. We have a big announcement for all the members. You will see this on a members only video. And if you're watching it, you know that because you remember. Don't know why I'm saying it, but I'm saying it anyway because I can. Because we have an announcement. This hasn't happened for 2 years. You asked for it. You said you wanted it to happen. We're doing it. We are doing the 2024 Lucasades live in-person convention meetup. Fantastic. Where, when, how to get involved. It's only for members. You need to be a member of this event to attend. You have to be a member because we'll send out the information to the members. So please, you need to be a member to attend this event. The event will be in the United States of America, in the state of Texas, in the city of Dallas. It will happen on Saturday, December the 21st. Zach Zate, one of our members who's been a member now of this channel for since near the beginning, 3 years, suggested meeting up with me, a one-on-one in-person meetup, and we thought that would be nice. And then we decided to open it up to everybody else. So you need to be a member of the family to be able to attend. It will be December the 21st in Dallas. We will provide the information via a members only video. It won't even be made during a live video. It'll be made during off air, so only members will be made aware of it. So if you want to be invited to the event, it is Saturday, the 21st of December. It is in Dallas, Texas, and members will receive a members-only invitation video when this comes out. So there you go. Just a couple of weeks away. It should be very exciting. We look forward to it in person. Have a lot of fun. And for those of you that can't attend, we will stream it as a members-only event as well, so you could be there even if you couldn't travel across the world. But hey, get on with it. Travel across the world. They did the first time. This is number 2 of our meetups. Very exciting in Texas. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Become a member or not. You're already a member, right? Because only you members saw it. That's correct. Over here, I'll put more information. This will be the video that the members can see when we have the date and, sorry, not the date, but the exact address in Dallas for you to meet up as well. And down here, I shall put another video that'll be useful for you as well. Fantastic. What a great way to spend Christmas together. The Lucasades annual convention. Okay, we missed a couple of years, but we're doing it again. Thanks to Zach. Till next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. If I come from Singapore, could Martyn sponsor my flight? Can we do YouTube through the night? We can be on YouTube. Everybody are there. Peckman, you're going to do it ride with Lawrence. Yes, indeed. Love it. That would be great. Martyn starts doing food reviews also. Yes. In the UK, could all chip in for a private jet. Exactly. Martyn starts beating Goddell's County Kitchen numbers. Martyn starts beating Goddell's County Kitchen. Yeah, going to be hard to book restaurant if we don't know at least a hard estimate on who's going. So no troll votes, please. That's right. All this talk of the tomahawk steak is making me hungry. Can't just show up with 4 folks booking for 15 or book for 4 and have 15. This is correct. Good afternoon, Jerry and Albert. Sending best wishes. Nice. Love you, Martyn. Thank you. Thank you, James. You're very, very welcome. All right. Zach's 8, get to work, mate. And we're all good. Good. 21, I will look at the vacation. Good. 21, I will look to book a vacation in Dallas. I love it. All right. Excited about this. Thank you for your super chat. Appreciate it. Right. Right. Let's get off. Okay. Let's wrap up the show with Day Trader of the Day. 43,059 subscribers. Let's end the year at 50,000. Wouldn't that be brilliant? Okay, I've got to get off. We're way over time today. What was that? What just popped up there? Let me look at that. Something just popped up on... What was that just popped up? What was that? Just got a notice from Robin Hood, but what's this here? I think this is a bit of nonsense. Lower margin rate, transfer your margin balance into Robinhood can get you on like a low. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. I've already got that. So many things you get on Robinhood, you go, yeah, I already knew that. I'm ahead of the game, mate. I'm ahead of the game. Okay. TPL down almost 90%, 10%. Anything going on I should be aware of? Not that. And let me have a quick look. Not that I can see. I think it's profit taking. You'd expect that. 20 seconds. Lower oil price. Yeah, remember I talked to you about the lower oil prices. Remember I talked to you about that, the lower oil prices. And also after it entered the S&P 500, there was a profit taking. So it's all of that. This is expected. The time to buy it was before. We told you 6 months ago to buy at TPL. It kept going up and up and up and up and up, and people kept buying and buying. I don't think this is the greatest stock, and I still believe it is. But should have bought it 6 months ago. If you bought it now, you have to wait now for the next round of growth. But because of the Trump trade and the oil and the S&P, all of that was built into the price. So now you've got to wait for the next leg. So that's just perfectly normal, profit taking. Look at this. Jerry and Elbert says, I can't attend because I've recently had a heart attack. He's excited about watching it streaming though. He says, but I will pay for someone's plate. How nice is that? He's going to sponsor someone's plate. Ain't that nice? So if anyone comes from England, right, Jerry's going to buy you dinner. How about that? Okay, I've got to end the show. Let's wrap this up. Day trader of the day. We've got to get out of here. It's time to send you all to the extra channel and information about the party coming soon. 21st of December, Dallas, Texas. We'll give you the date. Let's do day trade of the day. Up 0.75. Beating the market again. 0.75%. Right, who wins today? Shidoo. Shidoo-bidoo-woo. Right, time to go over to the extra channel. You can discuss the upcoming ideas that you have for the convention, the meetup, the Lucasade party. Save. Shidoo-bidoo-bidoo-bidoo-woo. Here is the link. Extra. Pin to the top. Don't forget the Whacker Troll if you've not seen that yet. Let's roll the credits. Let's see who wins today. Stars of our show today. New subscribers. DY Exotics. Jim. Winston. Flip. Black. Mohammed. Eugen. Jerry. Can't pronounce that, sorry. Jabman. Jimmy Quilty. Members. Look at all the new members. Tony, BKNY, Brenton, Pickers, Randy, Rob, FC, Yassine, Squadra, Super Chats, Lawrence Tio, Yasbeen, David Ewan, Andre Negrilia, and Jerry and Elber. There you go. They were the stars of our show today. I'm up 0.75. Inbound. Is that up what? Is that up 1.4? Up 1.58. Up 1.16, down 0.27. So far, Chris Coyle is the winner, up 0.158. Cameron is up 1.15. Chris Coyle going to win. I'm going to call the winner in the next few seconds. Time is running out. The winner of our show today, who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? I'm going to say Chris Coyle. Time's run out. Congratulations, Chris Coyle. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up as well. Absolutely lovely stuff. Chris Coyle, congratulations. You are winning. Matt Dillon's up 0.99% as well. Awesome stuff. That's it from me. We've wrapped up today's show. Now time for our final thoughts on the show today before we end. Great year. We're now moving into a Santa rally. We're making money. Hopefully you're making money. You're investing wisely. You're not chasing the pumps. You're having patience. You've got loads of new friends here. The channel is growing 1,000 subscribers a day. It's fantastic. We've just announced on the 21st of December, we're going to be in Dallas, Texas, meeting up for a live in-person convention. Zach Zait's going to pick the venue, and then we'll let you know in a members-only video that only members will get. Only members will have the information and have an invitation. Members only, please, to the event. We look forward to that. It's going to be fantastic. Join me now on the extra channel. You can share ideas, things that you'd like to have on the party and all the rest of it. So you stay right where you are or click the link at the top and it'll take you directly over to the extra channel. That's it from me. Thank you very much. I'll see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Look out for the members only video. Look out for the XRP video, the Santa Rally, the NVIDIA news about China and Nike as well. We did an extra video there. Thank you to David Ewan. That's it from me. Thank you very much, Zach Zate, for giving this suggestion today. And it's very exciting. I'll see you back in a bit. Have a wonderful day. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.